But good morning. About to head to the junkyard really quick and get a couple bolts for the hatch for the engine bay. A couple 14s, like at least 3 of them for the driver's side mount bracket. I don't know what happened to the ones that I had. It just disappeared. So I'll take a trip to the junkyard. And also, if you guys stick around to the end of this video, I have a discount code that can save you guys 15% on performance parts. Layla also started off on a budget. Everybody's financial situation is different from everyone else. So if you guys are on a budget, stick around to the end of this video, save you guys 15% on some performance parts. And also, I'm finally gonna go get a radiator support also. Everybody kept telling me, oh, just get the support from the place in Bridgeport, but I'd rather do an OEM one instead of an aftermarket one. Oh man, look at these headlights, bro. These headlights still look brand new. Still look brand new, and it's been about 3 weeks. Even my girl GCI is a little frosted, but still look good. Still look good. Want to get the white paint also today, get this engine bay back to where it was before. I actually use some 2K clear. I'm not going to record the whole process. You guys already see me do that before. Also got an MRI to go to for my spine. It's kind of cold, so put this camera away and check out the junkyard, see what they got. Oh man, there's even a classic Volkswagen in here. A classic Beetle, but sheesh. I see why it's in here. Oh my God. Door even hard to open, but look. Whew. Look at the floor. Holy moly donut shop. You guys remember my black Integra? Yep, same exact thing. Downsides of living up north. I bet the owner probably did not want to let this car go. I need this radiator support. So I pretty much just need these bolts right here. Mostly the main reason why I came here. I walk around, see what else I could possibly find. Man, I remember when this place used to be organized. Used to be the Hondas with the Hondas over there. And like just every other brand with their brand. But now it's like they just stopped caring. This interior not too bad. When you go to the junkyard, it's like it's a rule to like, explore and walk around and find some stuff, It's not really much shit here, so let me get those 3 bolts and get out of here. My fingers starting to get really fucking cold already. Bro, y'all gotta check this out. Look at this. I was about to leave and then something told me to just walk around a little bit more, but look at this. Look at this old Accord. Pop-up lights are so cool to me. I love pop-up lights.
What, nigga? That's where you wanted it at.
That's how y'all adjust shit. The jacket's still on.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
No, it's down.
Bro, this motherfucker, this is why I hate working on SI.
Remember, he got 2 coil. Well, he got 2 on each side.
That's what I'm saying, and they both the same weight.
You got a coilover on the shop. That's insane.
Man, fuck out of here. Get you a real Civic. You know what I'm gonna do?
What you gonna do?
Lower this shit more, nigga.
All right, nigga, I'm gonna shut the shit up your ass, nigga. You talking, nigga?
Oh, I'm gonna slam this shit to the floor, nigga. Right, you're gonna be mad.
Man, that's a lot of editing you gotta do.
Yeah, like beep, 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 beep.
You two ain't gonna get you right. Don't buy, anybody watching, don't buy SIs. Don't.
Be Pacific, what year, nigga?
This motherfucking year. This year, nigga, not that. Not. Y'all can buy the EM1s, don't buy the FG2s, bro. Y'all gonna be going through this problem.
Yo, I bought EP3, man.
Yeah, buy those, don't buy this.
Nigga, them big ass buckets, nigga, they like my buckets, nigga.
Hey, yo, what you? Whoa, bro, whoa. EP3 fans out there, bro, YouTube, bro.
If y'all got a problem, come see me.
They gonna come see you, alright?
Yeah, alright, nigga,
They gonna see you at the New Haven races. Pull up next lane, bro. You was talking all that shit.
I'm gonna come up with a crowbar, nigga. What?
Damn, boy, you gotta be so violent. You always with the violence, bro.
I've been violent.
That's not good.
I wasn't
bro.
loved as a kid.
Damn. Sound good though. Hell yeah.
Don't let the wet drive your car. Like, you ain't getting that shit.
Good.
Yeah, bro. You ain't record that, right?
Why you doing the pull?
Huh?
Why doing the pull? Or you need jumper cables?
No. Go at the truck with it. Go back. Huh? Go at the truck. Go.
Yo, I think if you fucking like,
You gotta pause.
You gotta
Yeah.
pause in it and
then
then
you
put
shift
it
it.
in it.
Yeah, that's what I gotta do on mine. So I gotta
don't
like hold it.
that shit, bro.
Yeah, my shit, you gotta pause it.
You know what? We're gonna find you the B series slave cylinder adapter, whatever the fuck they sell for that K series.
Serious nigga, he said he gotta do a burnout better than you.
No burnout. I don't want no BMW. I can't be doing that. I can't. I'm a broke nigga, man. Listen, that shit right there, with me, that shit won't last not even 2 weeks, bro.
Alright guys, so back at the apartment, and I pretty much skipped over everything. I done did everything. I had no reason to like pretty much record doing all this over again. I kept my promise. I'ma just, you know, come back, do what I gotta do, and that's that. Plus, one of the main reasons why I decided to really want to do the engine bay over is because also mainly the real reason was because I had no choice. Had to grind all this back down because all this shit pretty much broke on the inside. When I did the engine bay the first time, the white laid down pretty good. Then I used that Duplicolor 1K clear and the paint pretty much kind of started turning a little yellowish. When I used that Duplicolor 1K clear, everything was turning like a yellow haze. You was able to see it with your bare eye. Like, you would think your eye playing tricks on you, but like, nah, like this area right here would be white, but then you'll see like some yellowish over here, and yeah, it just wasn't looking good at all. Yeah, so right now, got the jack, about to put the subframe back on. You see I cleaned up the subframe too. It was definitely needed. So I'm gonna jack this up, bolt this back in. I'm gonna find out this is a manual sub, well, I was gonna say manual subframe, but this is actually a manual steering rack. I didn't know EKs or any type of EK had a manual steering racks. I didn't know that. Man, I'm happy. I'm really happy. It looks so freaking good compared to what it was. I'm not a fabricator. I'm not a body shop guy. I'm pretty sure a lot of body shop guys or, you know, picky people probably like, why didn't he block off this? Why didn't he tape off this? Why didn't he bring it all the way down to bare metal? I don't give a fuck. I do not care. All I just want is this car to be better than what it was when I got it, and I accomplished that. I'm not making it be no full-on show car. Pop the hood, like, wow, look at this engine bay. I don't care about none of that. All I care about is the fact of just getting it back to what it's supposed to be. I also tried doing mirrors, but you know, they came out decent, not that great. So regardless, need new mirrors anyways on both sides. I think the passenger side actually came out better than the driver's side. Nope, I lied. I definitely lied. I'm waiting on the dude to hit me back to let me know when I can come and get the radiator support off the part out car that he's parting out. Told me $1, but I'm still waiting for him to respond. So yeah, man, progress is progress. Control arms are on. This one look like it's running lean. This one like it's running rich. Need to clean out this interior finally. Took everything out, just about everything. The back actually don't look too bad. The back is pretty clean. It's pretty clean back here. Alright guys, so the only way to get the radiator support, you just hit me up so I can come down. One thing after another with this Integra flex pipe is broken. I'm missing most of my rubber hanger to the exhaust. There's only 2 hangers holding the exhaust up right now, and TPS issues still. So one thing after another. But got a bit of a 20-minute drive, which isn't too bad of a drive until the TPS starts giving me problems. Got the radiator support, got the crash bar. He even gave me another pair. He even gave me another set of headlights to pretty much throw in. I don't know why it took a lot longer to take this radiator support off. He even gave me the foam. Let's get back to the apartment and put this stuff away.
3 hours later.
Finally made it back home. Driving there to get the radiator support was A-okay. Coming back with the radiator support, well, I get right by my exit. I hear something fall off the car. A bolt got loose on the car somehow. I get off at the exit. I go to McDonald's to get something to eat. Bro, I'm looking and looking and looking, and I notice, I look down and see there's a puddle of fluid under the car. I'm thinking maybe it's like coolant or something, but no. It was my fucking transmission drain bolt that came off. Don't know how the hell that happened, but man, this car is stressing me out, bro. I barely drive her. And they keep giving me problems like this. Like, out of all bolts, the transmission drain bolt falls off. Crazy. Luckily, Benny came through, as always, giving me a hand, helping me out. Come to find out, the transmission drain bolt take the same exact drain bolt as the oil drain bolt. So it's an M14 by 1.50. So Gustavo, everybody else over there at Monroe, good looks. Benny, good looks. But we finally made it back, unloading this damn trunk. But before I go in, I had to show you guys really quick. Right now, they're just a mock-up. Nothing but a mock-up. Get to cleaning this off. Use a flat disc. Get most of these rust spots out. At least try to get these rust spots out. At least I got a horn. Make sure I keep that. And then get this color match to the white. Bolt it up. Put the headlights on. And this front end will pretty much be complete. Yep, these are the Spirit headlights that Juby gave me. Cleaned them up really nice. They cleaned up good, real good. Those steps that I use actually really works. It works really freaking good, bro. Really good. Also, you gotta remember how the hood before wouldn't even get nowhere near close to closing the gap. Look at that. This side will close, but this side will stay up at least like 2 inches or 3 inches or so. Still got to work on the alignment on the front end, but it's much better. Before, it would have this much of a gap. Now, it's pretty good. Before I close this video out, I really appreciate you guys if you made it to this far into the video. Right here below, that is the 50% off discount code that you can use off of the whole site on Max Speeding Rods. She's gonna be on a budget, completely on a budget. As you guys can see, I'm not buying new headlights. I cleaned up the old headlights and they look good. But everything is pretty much gonna be on a tight budget. Plus I got a daughter on the way, so I got no choice but to be on the budget, right? Right. You know, 50% off, save you guys some money. I guess this is my thanks to you guys. You guys is pretty much making this possible. If you think about it, you guys, you know, y'all getting the views up, and you know, companies are starting to notice. So I greatly appreciate you guys. I'm just a guy that had a garage, a really small garage. Now I'm back to being outside, to doing my work on the car. And I don't know why, for some odd reason, I feel like I do better working on my car outside than I was when I had a garage. For some odd reason, I don't know why. Maybe because I'm more determined than I'm outside, because I don't want to be out here too long. I'm just blabbing. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, share to your friends, do whatever. We almost at 1,000 subscribers. Hopefully we can make it by the end of the year. We literally only got like, what, I think 6 days left, or like 5 days left. So hopefully we can make that happen by the next video. And the bumper is getting dropped off as well. So the front end pretty much will be complete. And then we can finally move on to looking into getting some swaps, or a swap, not some swaps. I'll see you guys next year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. Peace out.